Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give kilograms, and then our program will simply compute the pounds equivalent using Pascal programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here the title, kilograms to pounds, and then I have two variables that I have declared, var kilograms in pounds, which has a data type of real. So when we say real, it is a type of data types that has decimal values. Like for example, 5.47, 123.58 is a good example of real. So begin, right line, and then we have here the title, kilograms to pounds, right line, enter mass in kilograms, and then red line will store the value in kilograms variable. Pounds will act as an assignment statement. We can easily say that using this operator, the colon equals, we are assigning a value or variable rather, a pounds as an assignment operator. So we simply multiply the value given in kilograms by 2.2462 for the pounds equivalent. Right line, and then we display the result here. So this is the process, this is the input, this is the process, and then we have here the output. So the output, kilograms colon 02 for 2 decimal places to the right, kilograms is equal to pounds colon 0 2 decimal places to the right also to pounds. Right line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Right line, and then end period to close the body of our program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description so that where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. I repeat, it is for free. Let us go to our online GDB to run our program and compile. Let us click the run button to execute our program. Okay, right now our program is running. Kilograms to pounds, enter mass in kilograms. Let's say we have 5.2. Press the enter key. Okay, 5.20 kilograms is equals to 11.46 pounds. End of program. Okay, let us run again for another set of values. Let's say 2.31. 2.31 kilograms is equals to 5.09 pounds. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilograms to pounds using Pascal programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. If you have some questions and clarifications regarding this tutorial video, you may leave in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.